everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making coconut macaroons. For this recipe you will need 2 egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, some salt, 2/3 cups of sugar, and 1.5 cups of sweetened coconut flakes. Let's get started. Step is to beat the egg whites, vanilla, and salt until soft peaks form. I'm going to slowly add in the sugar. And the 1.5 cups of sweetened coconut flakes. Now you're gonna put it on the tray, which I covered with wax paper.